Isn't he the cutest? Ah, Toro. Now the real question is, how many earrings can I assemble in 4 hours before I have to go? Time to make these. Guys, I want to show you something. Look at our bean sprouts. They are humongous. I feel like it's kind of time to start putting them in their own pots. Guys, I'm so tired. Still going, still so many more to make. Having some popcorn for our afternoon snack. We have this really old popcorn machine and it literally just pops popcorn in like 2 minutes time. Chopsticks are for everything, including popcorn. Oh, good morning guys. Last night I went to an event for Dyson to learn about their new air wrap.
We all know, also from damp to dry.
Yeah, night off for me. Tomorrow I have my permaculture assessment. Studied permaculture design this semester term kind of thing. It was kind of like a short course. I guess I always wanted to study it because it was something like I've always been interested in. So yeah, it happened. I finished my assessment. I'm gonna go to Officeworks soon after I pack my parcels, and I'm gonna go print it out and I'll give you a little like squiz of it. Designed our garden front and back, and basically put in the best sites for fruit trees, veggies, herbs, native plants, water tanks, stuff like that. Yeah, so it's really exciting and yeah, very excited. So guys, this is part of my permaculture design. I was doing our vegetable garden as like a focal element. I put like these arbors in. It was actually part of the original plan so that we could train some of the veggies going up there. And I've put like where to put like salads and like flowers, veggies. Guys, it's been really busy in the studio right now. I spent the whole day yesterday assembling these. It was a really busy and long day and like my hands are so dry, but there are a lot of earrings ready to be backed, so they still need their backs on, and I'm gonna be bringing this and more to Finders Keepers next week, so keep an eye out and hopefully see you at the market. So back in the studio this morning, I just assembled these earrings here and also assembled these ones here as well. So much more to do, so be right back. Hey Toro, in case you didn't know, you and me, we're not friends right now because you pooed inside yesterday. Alright, Kayla Chips. Good morning. Today is permaculture presentation day. No. It's an oral presentation, so I have to present my project and wish me luck, I guess. My goodness, how beautiful is the sunrise light in this room. Good morning. It is sunrise We were going for a walk yesterday. I didn't vlog because I had my permaculture assessment day, so I was in class all day. Here, look. Here, look. Alright. Jeez. Guys, this morning I have so much to do. I have to put all of these together and make more earrings. Seedling update. So the sweet peas are really big now, and a few more cucumber plants have popped out, and these beans are huge. Well, aren't you a vision? Hey Tori, are you tired today? Navy is probably one of my favorite ones. They always sell out first. So yeah, didn't make too many this time. Hopefully if I have time this afternoon, I'll make a few more. Guys, this is another one of my favorite colors. It's always requested and it's always sold out. So made a few more.